Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at a couple of Poetic cases for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. They sent me over two for the Z Fold 7, and then they also sent me over one for the Z Flip 7, which is just similar to the one for the Fold 7. Maybe I'll do a giveaway on the Flip 7 one on my Discord, so make sure you head over there. The link's going to be in the description. I'll probably set up a time once we get a few more people in there to run that. So here we go. We're going to take a look at the Poetic Revolution and the Poetic Spartan for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And we're going to start off with the Revolution here. Looks like we have an extra adhesive strip right here. I usually don't use those if I absolutely don't have to. So there you go. Yep, it actually tells you how to replace those. And then here is the case itself. It is a two-piece case, and it does have MagSafe, which is nice. And then here is the front. It does have a built-in screen protector. I do have a privacy screen protector on this. I'm not going to take that off right now, but we'll see how it goes having both of them together. So that is the Poetic Revolution. And then we're going to unbox here just real quick the Spartan as well while I have it here. Same thing, replacement adhesive strip. And then similar right here, we have your front panel with the screen protector built in. And then we have the back piece, again, with MagSafe. And you have your kickstand right here that pops out. So you have that. And then I do have a little MagSafe battery right here. So we'll go ahead and take a look and just pop that on there. Just to show you guys, it is MagSafe right there. Looks like it adheres to the stand right there, so that kind of comes up when you take it off. We'll go ahead and put this one here on. Take that. Let me just wipe off the screen real quick. There we go. And we're going to put the back in first. Now, I guess you don't have to use the front piece if you don't want to. It does make it a little bit uneven. So we're going to go ahead and put it on and just see how it does with my screen protector already on there. Because I don't want to take that off. Here is the adhesive strip right here. I am going to just go ahead and remove it, or take the protective bit off to activate it, I guess. Let me wipe the screen a little bit real quick. I'll probably get some screen cleaner or something here and clean it off after the video, but I just want to put it on real quick to show you guys. There we go. So it goes on pretty nice. There is a little bit of a it looks like it raises up a little bit here on the top, probably because of my screen protector. It's a little bit thicker than what this is meant for, but it looks like it goes on pretty good. Screen still seems to work pretty well, pretty responsive. You can also go in here to display settings and enable the touch sensitivity, so you can turn that up, which is usually for use with screen protectors. That way it should be a little bit more responsive. If you don't have a screen protector on already, then I would probably recommend not putting one on before putting this case on, because it does seem to be pushing up the plastic a little bit. But if you have one on, it looks like it's still probably going to be usable with it. You just have to take that into consideration. So that is the Poetic Spartan and the Poetic Revolution here for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Obviously, this one's going to go on the same way. It just has a little bit different design. But there we go. Those are the two cases for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 from Poetic. And don't forget, check out the Discord in the description. And I might be doing a little giveaway of the Flip 7 case. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And I'm Colin with Techout. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe. And as always, have a great day.